didn't quite like this game.
Station out.
I thought my thoughts were over, but
Yo! They're at Charlie!
I figure I could at least record an entire game with commentary if you enjoy the game. I think this game's really fun. It's pretty gory. This is a good spot because if they get onto the points, I'll get informed.
Observer, this is station. Understood. On your way now.
And if they come this way, I'll see them.
Observer, this is Assassin. We're on location and moving into position. Rockets incoming. Firing takedown.
No! They're at Charlie!
Shooting at us.
This is just the delete life gun.
RPG incoming. Okay, I'm on Delta. Okay.
Like most guns in this game, honestly.
Killed one.
Really just dies so quickly.
Two down.
If you'll put your attention to the bottom right, I think it doesn't tell you exactly how many rounds it
Attack run
is.
complete. Assassin out.
Even though you may know yourself. It's
We got Delta.
I like to think of it's like the same amounts of realism maybe as the Modern Warfare games. The same kind of vein. Without all of the extra flow. Call of Duty has added.
Station out. Gun run complete. Station out.
Damn it, they got Delta.
Check your weapons! Fuck yeah, here we go!
As much as I like Call of Duty, I think I'm better at this game. And I will see a lot more victory in a teamwork sense when it comes to playing, rather than if I were to just play Warzone.
Taking Delta.
The landscape of gameplay is definitely a lot different
Okay, I'm on Delta.
compared to when I first started to play. You really could not do what I'm doing here, just running around the map back then. But you would definitely get shot by somebody just holding an alleyway.
Okay, I'm on Delta.
Observer, this is station. It's on its way. Get ready.
Gunrun's coming. Bring in the bird.
But I have found that there's different methods of gameplay now. The servers aren't just full with so many people. Insurgency has been around forever. I'm not sure exactly when it released, but I definitely did play the original
Now,
Insurgency.
move!
I enjoyed it quite a lot,
Relax, we
actually.
got this.
This day's ours!
Alright, he hit it. Station out.
I just love coffee. Today I'm putting brownie mix into my coffee for a boost of protein. But anyways, I'll upload this and maybe see where it goes from here.